Hello, I'm Alastair McIntyre from electricscotland.com, and I'd like to tell you about the castle section of our website. If you go to our main menu and click on castles, what you'll actually find is a page entitled Traditions and Stories of Scottish Castles. The page is actually in two sections, so the top section is actually the book entitled that name, in which we give you some really good stories about those castles. I mean, if I have a quick flick through the page, we've got like Crookston Castle, Dumbarton Castle, Castle Campbell, Fernihurst, Eccles, Hermitage, Dunbar, Mains, Cathcar, Needpath, and so on and so forth. After that section, there is another section of castles where we get, included in that is like Edinburgh Castle, Stirling Castle, Wallace's Monument, and so forth. There must be about 50 castles there anyway, where we've got a good story about each castle. There's also pictures of them, old line drawings of the castles as they were in the old days. So if you're wanting to explore castles in all parts of Scotland, then this is a good section to go to. We don't cover them all. I might add that we're developing, at this moment, the Gazetteer of Scotland, and in the Gazetteer there are a load more castles where we have that information. So basically, when you click on castles, you'll get the page, and basically there's links for all of the castles that we've got information on. Click one of those and then you'll get the information on that castle. So I think it's a good resource, and you'll also learn some rather interesting facts, because there are some fables and stuff like that going on about what happened in some of those castles, so you'll get to learn some really interesting things. And if you ever head to Scotland for a holiday and you know you're going to be in an area where the castle is, have a wee read, so when you actually go visit the castle, you'll have a better sense of what that's all about. And again, that's really what Electric Scotland is about, is trying to give you the background to all the Scottish history and everything. And castles are obviously a very important part of that history, and obviously they played a part in clan lands as well. So there you have it, our castle section of Electric Scotland.